On the 1337, when you turn on the machine, the initial screen is going to show parameters for the motors, and the next screen is going to show the parameter for the stepping motors. These two have to be in that sequence. If you don't have this screen in your monitor, means that you don't have the software installed.
Okay, in order to make a master reset, we're gonna power off the machine, hold the P button on the controller, and power on the machine, holding the P button. Then you're gonna install the code 5913. You're gonna go and hit enter twice, and on the right hand side you're gonna have 093. You're gonna change it to 094, and then you're gonna hit P to escape. And that automatically will do a master reset on your Efka box.
Take the memory stick, put it in the USB port, and leave it over there. With the memory stick already on the USB, you press P and turn on. You're gonna have USB detections, and you're gonna have this 0 blinking. Then you type 3112 and type enter, showing parameter 200. Type parameter 527 and click enter. Now you're gonna go to the right, last key on the right, and click it 1 time, and then you're gonna show this information. Then you're gonna type E twice, but you have to be fast. That means E, and you see that it's reading the data. That's gonna take some time until the data is going to be read. After a minute reading the data, the screen stop with 0, 1, 2, 2, and 3. Then you turn off the machine, and then again you push P and turn on the machine. It's going to detect the USB, and then type again 3112, enter. Now we're going to move into another parameter. You're going to have to type 523, 523, and you type enter. Now you're going to go to the right arrow 1 time, and you type enter twice. Enter, enter. It's going to read data, and that's going to be faster. You already have 523 loaded. Now you go into parameter 511, 511, enter. Again the right arrow 1 time, and enter twice fast. 1, 2. It's going to read the data. That's going to be fast too. Now we're going to go to parameter 515. You type 515, make enter. The arrow again 1 time, and 2 times E fast. 1, 2 times. It's going to read the rest of the data. It is ready right now. You can turn off the machine and remove the USB. Press P and turn off the machine without the USB memory, and type 3112, 3112, type enter. Go to parameter 467, press enter, and make sure that you have the value set it up for 1. And then make enter, 1 time P, 2nd time T, and that's it. For adjusting the position of the needle, you press P and turn on the machine, type 31112, press enter. Go to parameter 171, press enter, and press 1 time the arrow. It's showing the first position. What you do is you rotate the machine in sewing directions, until you see the counter moving. Now you take the needle all the way to the up position, and you take a look at the number. In this case, it's going to be 166. You type 166. and hold this number. Now you press enter. The second position, you're going to do the same. You move it all the way to the 166 that you already had before and type enter again. The next position, what you do is, for the 166, you added 60 to this value. Now we have 226. What you're going to do is you rotate it until you get 226. And you type enter. And the last position, you're going to type exactly the same number. And you say enter. Now type 2 times P. And the needle is already set up. Machine will always start with the needle app. Half of the keys of the motors are not available right now, are locked. The other half can be used, but this half is basically locked. In order to unlock these keys, you have to go to the following procedure. Turn off the machine, press P, turn it on, type 31112, enter, type parameter 620, press enter. This number change it to 1 and press enter PP. Now you're gonna see that these keys are now available. You can basically play around with the keys. What you want to have in this particular case, you only want to have this key and this key activated. That means you disconnect it that way, you disconnect it that way, only left, this left and the right key. When you have it ready, then you're gonna do enter and you're gonna P, and now the machine can run, but you still have the keys unlocked. If the keys are unlocked like right now, we want to go back and lock it up. Okay. In order to lock it up, you're going to see that the keys are basically functioning, the right side of the keys. What you do is you turn it off, press P, and turn it on. Type parameter 3112, enter. Then go to parameter 620, enter, and change this number to 0. And then you type enter, P. Now you run the machine and make one complete cycle. Press pedal, run one cycle, backtrack, press a foot, and the program is storage. If you try right now, you're gonna see all the keys are disconnected. When you turn off the machine and you turn it on, you will see there is no access to any one of the parameters anymore.